Right, today, chicken breast wrapped in bacon to go in the Ninja. Now the way I do it is, I get your chicken breast, slice it down, not all the way through, and then you get a Knorr cube, one of these here, oops, dropped it, and drop it in, and then you get your bacon, and you wrap it round. But what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to use a cocktail stick to hold the bacon in place, because it will want to fly away once the air fryer starts to cook. Now you don't want any flying bacon now, do you?
Definitely not.
So you do that, okay, and then put your last little bit of that on, and it's ready to go in the air fryer. One for you, one for me.
Grand.
Righty-ho, I'm going to pop that in there. I'm going to do it on the air fry setting, and I'm going to turn the temperature down because I want to make sure the cooked chicken is cooked thoroughly, and then I'll turn it up towards the end to crisp the bacon, and it will need turning over at some point. So, here we go. Right, it's had 10 minutes, you can see it's beginning to go. I'm still not turned it up high. I want to turn it over now and do the other side. So, until it sticks out. I'm going to turn it over. You can see that side now, it needs to be browned off nicely. So remember, we want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. And then I'm going to get that bacon crunchy. Okay. You can pop anything you want on the top, but we like a little bit of the stock cube on the top there, and smudge it out in a minute. Righty-ho, let's take a look. Oh, they're looking nice. The juices are beginning to run clear now, so I'm going to whack them up, get that really crispy, and give them a couple of minutes each side. So back in, air fry, temperature high this time, back on for a couple of minutes. Looking crispy, we're going to flip them over now and crisp the other side, and ready for the taste test. Right, so this had approximately 10 minutes each side, and then when I flipped it over I gave it 5 minutes each side, up high to get it crispy. Look at them now, looking absolutely gorgeous. I have tested it with the good old faithful meat tester. You can tell if it's cooked because the juices are running clear. Just be very careful. I can't really say a time on these because it depends on the size of the chicken pieces as to how long you give them, but you can see they're cooked. So I'm ready to dish up.
So here we go then. Lovely crispy bacon and the chicken. I haven't put the gravy on yet because I wanted to show you it sort of just as it's just been done. I'm just going to try a little bit off the end here, see what it's like. It looks delicious, doesn't it? And by heck, it is delicious. Gravy time. So for all our videos, you know where to go. Yeah, good old favourite, Derriton33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.